Hi guys, welcome to my 2-Minute Tuesday, no fuss tutorials. In today's lesson, I'll be showing you how to make chocolate fudge icing. Now this is the finishing layer I use for my very popular Devil's Food chocolate cake. This icing helps to make any cake look super shiny, but you can also use it to cover your fudge brownies, which makes them extra decadent, or a topping on ice cream. Now, if you like a quickie like I do, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe so you know when new ones are coming out. Better yet, share my channel with a friend and do some Saturday night Zoom baking. See you next time.